Take a ride in the 2019 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, power steering, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, remote power door locks, power windows. Compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.